everybody, good afternoon. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove, Truelove Quilts for you. You may recognize where I am, my followers who have followed along. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. I'm outside here. And I'm going to turn my camera around and show you. This is where we used to live. Well, hopefully you can hear this. And it's a hive of activity. Our son just called and said, "Oh, Mom and Dad, come over and see what's going on with the house." I'm going to turn this around, and because it's so windy, I'll just film and let you guys see everything that's going on. Hopefully you can hear this. I'm trying to block the microphone, so hopefully you can hear this. I'm going to turn the camera around and look. So here is the property. I'm going to walk down here. So we have tree service coming along, and there's our son's company, Spartan Drywall. Oh, they're doing like a huge, great big berm over there. Oh wow! So it's never going to flood because the creek, as you know, is down here, and that creek flooded and flooded our home. The creek's way down there, and it flooded this road. The road was covered. It flooded up to here. So our house, which is up there, was flooded. And now our son and his company have built the block wall up. As you can see, the guys are working on it. And there, oh wow, they're building up the ground. So the whole ground is going to go up. It's not going to look so top heavy. I'm going to go around back. Look at that guy. Oh, is that our son? I think that's our son in there, in the little skid steer. Yeah, it's all happening. Wow. Wow, this used to be a quiet little, quiet little house on the prairie. And hold on, I believe that, yeah, the house builders, or the house lifters have come and taken their cribbing that was holding up the house. Remember Wolf House Builders? They're the ones that lifted the home 11 foot in the air, and with their hydraulic jacks, and it was like a big Jenga, as you can see. And they've put their steels, yes, their steels are on the truck now. They've taken the steels out of the home because the block work is holding the house up now. Sheesh. As you can see, it's a big project. It's caused by a little bit of water. A lot of water, actually. It was a lot of water. Oh. This is our son who owns the home in Florida, which was flooded. Oh, poor guy. So he's going to be doing this. We don't know if this, he doesn't know what's going to happen, if he's going to sell this property, rent the property, maybe move back to the property, because he lived here before we did. There's my Ian over there. So they're cutting down trees. And well, a little car, another one of his vans. Oh, a porta potty. That's nice. It's our son's truck. Wow, wow, it's all happening. So what's going to happen is this whole area is going to be graded up to the garages. So it's just going to look like a two-story home that you go up to. It's all going to be landscaped. I believe the driveway is going to be moved. Oh, here's one of these steels that was holding the house up. Yes. Yeah.
I thought I recognized at least 2 of these machine drivers.
Are they our...
One is our eldest son, Luke.
Aw.
And he's brilliant on the skid steer.
Is that Luke in there?
Luke is in the skid steer.
Oh, look at that.
And then Dominic is on his little excavator, filling in at the back the basement.
Good old Lukey. That's our son Luke.
He's really good on it.
He is good on it. Our kids are clever. Oh my, oh, here
Let's
comes,
walk around to the back.
here comes, our dear boys. They're very industrious, as you can tell. They get on with things. They just get on with things. This is a massive project. Oh, oh my, oh, there's our son Dominic in there. Hey, my man. Wow. Do you remember remember this was so quiet. My little deer would come. Oh, there's our son. There's our other son. That's who owns the property. And then our oldest son. How about that? How about that? Hey. So the sheeting now is covering the block, which is holding the building up, and this here is going to be the ground level. So it just looks a two-story home. So look at that. Here's Lukey. Aww. Hey, Lukey. Wow.
My ballast box.
Wow.
Working without the ballast
It's going, oh.
I need weight in the back. He's got it.
Oh, I should stand on there.
Good ballast box.
Thank you. I'd be great ballast. He needs weight on the back. Oh, he's gonna go get it. Oh, wow. Sheesh. If you remember, we had cleared this path. It's pretty much grown up now for Maxwell to drive his quad on. We can see sort of where the quad trails were. All the way back into the woods here. All the way around there was all cleared. There's still 4 acres of woods back here that belongs to our son. If you remember the disaster when his trees were cut down, that's still being taken care of. It's going to be resolved very, very soon, to our son's benefit, fortunately, because it was a terrible thing that happened. But these are trees that were knocked down in the tornado. fallen trees here. It's fairly safe now. The tree guys have come and assessed the property, taken down the trees that were very, very bad or in danger of falling. But the woods, he's going to come in and have all of this debris cleaned up to try to make the woods pretty again, doable for whoever, whenever they live here. But the priority was the home, of course. So there's our little house on the prairie. I remember sheltering in that home up there with our son Maxwell on September 1st, 2021, and listening around us as these trees, about 20 of them, fell down, crashed all around the property. It was so frightening. It was terrifying. Incredibly tall trees, as you can see. And what he's done is remove so many of them from right around the house now. And as you can see, the house it's going to sit up on a bit of a hill. Again, with the property graded. And there's no homes down here. So the water will just go back. The water, if it would come up, it would just go back into the creek, where it's supposed to be, not in our basement. This is one of the trees that fell. They did cut up. And I do believe the barn is going to be taken down. He's going to rebuild another barn, because this is he wants to grade the whole thing, a beautiful sloping back garden with like a deck and then a patio, and this all be lovely grass here. And then the barn, if he's going to rebuild it, will be over here, like a 3-car garage type barn. Well, a barn I should say, because he has a 3-car garage in there. So it's all happening. So thanks for coming along, folks. I hope you can hear this. Just interesting if you guys were following along and all of our adventures, True Love adventures. But this was coming along. I'm real happy for our son and daughter-in-law. He's getting on with it. The project will be done whenever it's done, and I will be continuing to show you progress. I hope you've enjoyed the video, folks. Have a lovely day, and I will see you back in my sewing room. Oh, when will I put this up? I'm still working on my rowing along quote, obviously. I've done some stuff with that, so that video to come is what I did last week or whenever. But anyway, I'll be back with you. Jen is coming on Friday, so stay tuned. And again, I hope you enjoy this video. See ya. Bye.